Welcome back to Better Truck Week on the TheRcSaylors. Guys, last week we took a look at some budget trucks. They were all under $100. A couple were over and they shouldn't have been. So Budget Truck Week now turns into Better Truck Week. And we're
really expensive truck week and
Abby's birthday.
My birthday truck week.
This was Abby's birthday present, at least her main birthday present. It is the new Losi Tenacity TT Pro. They have a black and yellow version. They both look really sweet, but because we have the axial Falken crawler, we wanted this to match that one, and man, they look good together. Today we're gonna do a speed test. We wanna run this with a 3S LiPo to see what it can hit. It should be very impressive. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Of course, Abby, you'll get to be the first with the controls. Not only ladies first, but it is your birthday week, so we're gonna have some fun with this. There's some amazing things about this truck that I'm excited to see in action, like that light bar. I know that's gonna look good. Super bright. I love that Losi does that. I wish more companies would do that. This is just my opinion, of course, but I love lights on trucks, especially nice trucks.
And pre-built, pre-installed.
I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I like to drive them. So let's take a look under the hood. The reason I'm doing the intro and not Abby is because I wanted to show you guys something. This is actually Abby's idea and mostly her doing.
It's my truck.
But we realized that the 3S spektrum smart battery won't fit in here. The 3S hard case 5000 milliamp spektrum smart battery is the same size as their 4S packs. And Losi designed the battery tray to hold a 2S battery or some cheaper batteries that are 3S.
That's where the latch goes. See how much higher the battery sits than where the latch was supposed to go.
Doesn't fit at all. So Abby had the idea to take, because our Losi DBXL-E, oh, what a mouthful, has 6 battery straps. We decided it can give up 2 of them. And so they were too big to fit, so we looped them around. Little chassis support tower to tower here. Basically that little support in the middle where the wires are running. And then I had the idea to put some Velcro underneath the battery so it will keep it from wanting to pull up as bad. So we just had to get a little
jerry-rigged.
There. Our over $400 Losi, we had to jerry-rig it some. Other than that, everything has been awesome about this thing so far.
Just looking at it.
Yeah, we haven't powered it on yet. So let's do that. Let's see how fast it goes. And then be sure to stay tuned, subscribe, smash the notification bell like as hard as you can without breaking your phone or your computer, because we're gonna send this thing launching at the track really soon on the channel. Hopefully, if the weather holds out, hopefully that's tomorrow. But we're gonna do speed tests today. So let's do it. There she's plugged in, and Abby. Oh, look at that. There's 3 beeps.
3 cells.
It's moving because of the AVC, the active vehicle control.
Look at that light.
Yeah.
It's so bright today too.
Yeah,
it looks that good.
Very bright sunny day here in February. I'm excited, Abby. I mean, this is our, I think, our most expensive 10th scale short course truck, right?
It's up there, yeah.
It is up there. Okay, Abby, let's put the GPS meter on here. Ka-cha.
So many steps.
Ka-chunga. And we'll see how fast this thing goes. Here we are, zeroed out. We've got plans. We have a Patreon request to get rid of this old thing and get a new one. So to our patrons, we're probably going to do that.
My steering is reversed right now.
Oops, I must have bumped it.
There we go.
There you go. I think I bumped it. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it, do it. 3S power with our jerry-rigged battery tray set up. Let's go. Sounds good. It's nice and quiet. Yeah, sounds really good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You just having fun?
Yeah.
This is your new truck, Abby?
Just making sure it was trimmed and stuff, so it's focused. Don't get hit, Nathan. You're stepping out there.
Oh, I'm good. Woo-hoo. Whoa! Oh, there goes the GPS meter.
It lifted off the ground.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
We probably need to cut holes in the body for it to hit actual peak speeds.
That was rough.
That was like as epic of a crash as it could have been, because it rolled in this water, and there's the GPS meter that's not waterproof. Abby, you hit 87 kilometers an hour. Get it out of there.
I don't know if that's true though with the line.
Right, we'll reset it. We'll reset it. Let's retape it.
Would that be the fastest ever?
No, I don't think so.
Oh my gosh. How's my body and everything?
Hey, it's looking okay.
I don't think it, Wow.
The light bar is still looking good. Nice and bright.
That's so crazy.
Yeah, I saw it lift. It's got to have holes cut in it to hit those actual top speeds. Let's remount the GPS meter and okay, just got to keep a close eye on it. Okay, I added another piece of tape in case she flips again, and we're back at 0.
That was wild.
That was an epic crash.
I turned the ABC down just a hair, so I have a little bit more of my own control over the vehicle.
Okay.
But it's still gonna have the parachuting problem.
Right. Yep, we're not gonna be able to hit peak speeds on this without parachuting up. No, yeah, good save, good save.
It can't hit peak speed.
No, I don't think so. That was some serious thick water. Abby, it's insane. This entire huge dry parking lot. Here, let's see how fast it did go. It's crazy, guys. Look, there's a bug in my beard. It never matters. Like, we've got this huge dry parking lot, tiny little puddles, but Abby will just beeline straight for those puddles. Okay, let's see how fast you can get it to go. As soon as you see it start to parachute, ease off on the throttle some.
It's not gonna hit the peak speed.
And there's no wind.
Take the body off and I could do it.
Sure, we could try it.
Like, see it.
Yeah.
As soon as I hit full
All right, let's see how fast you got. You're at 71, which is still fast. Let me give it a shot if you don't care.
Don't break my truck.
I'll ease off. As soon as I see it lifting. Here. Okay. All right, let's see how fast we can get it to go. Come here. Okay. All right. I mean, I guess we have a light breeze coming the other way, plus the water is on this end, so I'm going to ease into it and get it to go as fast as I can.
I swear, Nate, I'm going to be angry if you break it. You didn't go peak speed.
That was full throttle. Yeah, I hit full throttle with that.
Didn't sound like it.
It was. I had to really ease into it, but I want to see how fast I got it to go before I go past this way, because I really eased into it. I'm just going to coast in here. You were at 71, and I hit 79.
You did better than me.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyway, you have an easier finger than I do. I get trigger happy sometimes.
Little throttle fingers. Not quite as bad as you. We just gotta ease
throttle fingers.
Here we go. That's full throttle, and I held it for probably 3 seconds. I'm guessing I went.
Oh, for the win!
Yeah, that was pretty awesome. It tipped up on its side. So I just eased it back here. I want to see what I hit. I think it was faster.
It was.
83.
83, getting there.
Abby, we are
technically I got 87.
You've had 87 on a vehicle, but no. What is our fastest vehicle? Isn't it like 85?
It's up there.
So I would recommend going from, because we have a slight breeze of like 2 miles an hour coming in this way.
Okay,
I think that's what was with the wind.
Go with the wind.
With it. You know that from airplanes. Okay, Abby's back at the controls. Let's see if you can, you'll know when you hit full throttle. I totally ease into the throttle and I don't even hit full throttle till it's almost right in front of us. I think you got this. Go for it, go. Here it is. There it is. Did you feel full throttle hit?
I hit it, but not for very long.
Right, that's how I'm doing too. Now if you go this way, I can feel like a maybe now 5 mile an hour breeze at my back.
I'm not gonna do it.
And it'll pick it up. That'll be enough to pick it up. You can see it. I can see it lifting. Here we go. Here we go. We are at 83. I think 83 is about max for this puppy, because we even have the wind helping us out to our back a hair. And I mean, it's not pushing it any faster, but I think that it is still keeping it from lifting up. I'll bet you could juice a little harder this way. Yeah. You might be able to pull it off. Get a little harder on the throttle. There you go. Hit it now. There's full throttle. There it is. That is nice and quiet.
If it was going to go any faster, it would have been on that run.
Yeah.
That was at least a couple whole seconds of full throttle.
Let's see. Let's see what you got. So, lesson to be learned here with this one, it's a parachute. And a lot of guys drill holes in their bodies. A
lot of short course trucks that go this fast are parachutes.
That's right. Oh, you hit 85.
Yay!
There you go. You hold your own record for your vehicle.
No, I got 87.
That doesn't count.
It crashed 87.
Yeah.
That's
well,
fun.
what do you think of your brand new short course truck now that
I
you
love
got
it. They claim that it hits 50 right out of the box on
it does.
3S, and it does.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy.
We had to get a little creative on the battery strap, but other than that, and the fact that just because it's a trophy truck or a short course truck style, you know, we see these having to parachute. They parachute all the time. Our Armisentin 3S parachutes when it hits full throttle. So you just got to be aware of that. Oh, Abby, what a pathetic way. An absolute pathetic way to end the video.
I didn't do it.
Yeah.
Let's go do that puddle.
Oh, no. Take the GPS meter off first. I mean, it's your truck.
It's popping wheelies.
It is popping wheelies.
Oh, this is fun. We're gonna take it to the track, so check, make sure you're subscribed, and the notification bell is on. Before you guys go, I want to say a huge thanks to all these patrons. These names scrolling by, not just these guys, but anyone that donates from $1 or more. A huge thank you, because videos like this, Abby's birthday like this, wouldn't be able to happen without you. Before you go, check out this awesome video that we have linked here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there. Bye.